welcome. You're watching on Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Smooth conduct of matriculation and Class 12 examinations amidst election campaigns in Meghalaya. Massive fire destroys electronics warehouse in Umsosun. Strict guidelines for Ed Sheeran concert in Shillong. Meghalaya Food Safety Department launches census of street vendors. And now the news in detail. The matriculation, SSLC and Class 12 HSSLC examinations conducted by the Meghalaya Board of School Education, MBOS, commenced on 10th February 2025 and are proceeding without any hitches. A significant rise in female participation has been observed with 31,940 female students appearing for the SSLC exams compared to 23,249 males, bringing the total to 55,189. In the Class 12 exams, females outnumbered males in the arts and science streams. In the arts stream, 17,216 females appeared against 10,856 males, while in science, 3,812 females contested compared to 1,568 males. Despite clashing with the ongoing campaign for the Khasi Hills and Jaintia Hills DC elections, MBOS Director McDonald Marbanyang confirmed smooth conduct across all centres. However, the SSLC mathematics exam scheduled for 21st and 24th February has been postponed to 25th February, and the HSSLC physics and sociology exams will be held on 6th and 18th March respectively. On 10th June at around 11:15 a.m., a devastating fire broke out at Anuj Bauri's electronics warehouse in Javan Towers located opposite the Bata shop in Sosun. The fire rapidly spread, destroying all electronic equipment in the warehouse. The owner reported damages and losses nearing rupees 1 crore. Fire brigade struggled to contain the blaze due to heavy road congestion, delaying efforts to save any belongings. The cause and origin of the fire remain unclear as authorities continue to investigate the incident. Ahead of Ed Sheeran's much-anticipated concert on 12 February 2025 at NEHU Jawaharlal Stadium, the District Administration of Shillong has outlined strict guidelines for attendees. Traffic in the polo area will be heavily regulated, with concert goers required to park their vehicles at designated locations farther from the stadium. Only 2 entry gates will be open for the public starting from 4 p.m. Children under 5 years old will not be allowed entry. With an estimated 26,000 attendees, authorities have mobilized extensive security measures, including police, fire trucks, disaster management personnel, and medical teams to ensure safety and handle emergencies during the event.
Ki surok benda cepo Jian Stadium min kami gitu ki lenti bawa kumbala batai eksperimen na do Khubor live je. Nang tangi expect ki beliau benpoy kato kesini kinang apun riu hajar. Nang kata kadau ngidan kawe ke jin ngidan idai jin so berkat bang idi benpentek ikbeba nama ba ke entry ke data atli. Dan ada pendelapan yang atli gate kadang sekawai bersplit third gate ketama mereka kadang pendongi kadang atli so kani kadang ke bang ni hab ya bu ajim macampi baru akiban wan pikan ba kala ban sempur ba na kadang ni kong yebi ban wan kam klo ba habang i wan kam klo i kam wan bangini kanyat ni ya mo ni patrong ni webe ni lik nam tang konsert ni Kung hibar kat kenya late ban subha ban yo ka porbo biang te ni kemen bakani kan ya beki te ha ka ba ya dei ba kabam ngin plan at saw baje. I did not mention this food and will be open at 4 p.m. Till 10 p.m. Also kabam da dan tu ni sha ban ra pala ikinigilay tiliki kawai de mobile jampi kabaar kade Shopee kadi jampi kabalai kade ki wallet lani lapisa jampi tikini de lai dili ki bangi nibo kendon banum dan manra pala ni kata kila dadan manu aku kini je ayu sidani ki bang sidang or kila ban dan kumbala mana ni rumi dan garis dan basitam te nama tak kata rumi na abu arrangement Indang ki medical team jeni kamba khatwe khatli ki medical team across the stadium kabamidan bakandan ka control room hamta control room in bo igi midan ki team naga SDMA SDRF ka DDMA la jong hami Juma district namta de fire service namta de yaka emergency service MPRO police but medical team ini de arrangement bina de bo ina de trial and tested. Namta pada ni kuat uban om yigi kelum hapo sansna minum syaman wan badadadan mana wada kelum hapo sansna ngin pepai na yigi syashia magini bu yigi kuat but min sa sya yigi ban wan paipa mo na marga pilan sa tu mana de om lupa ke entry kan no problem la de kiwada sa kelum dan de syaknya di kadang ke problem ham tu dan nak tangi om wan yalam hi konsert ke ju syai kelum hapo sansna des memahawat break dan oma nanta pada so hapo ko ke SRGT kita buang dah helmet kin kina ban buang tu kin bu ko ke jaga ban drop point ham tu tamba kan bahala da ki make arrangement da buai nama ba kan price ha Bila mulu ada busi hajar teliki helmet ham turu ngatrai kam capacity jong tu kam kajakan kanam dan temano dia jah so advisable na niya jong ikan ba kan haba avoid make arrangement deki baino na takti skuti laban pliga to ka seat and kebang tu so le kita ke ban sup ye pi ban sup ye ni bungjo.
The Meghalaya Commissionerate Food Safety regularly conducts inspections of street food vendors in urban areas to ensure public health and hygiene. On 10th February 2025, Assistant Food Commissioner Kong B.S. Mukim directed her staff to collect a list of all street vendors, including their names, and send the information to her office. Speaking to the media, Mukim explained that the initiative aims to safeguard the health of consumers and maintain cleanliness in these food establishments. The department will monitor the food quality at these shops to prevent any health risks. This census will help identify and regulate the street vendors operating across urban areas.
Shillong jungi ki bon bha ti lada iwe lawan ar lawan kiwan kumtu lada ngim yo jingken kalong ka ba e ba yangi bangin register ki namar ba ki staff ngi don tang khendian ti kinum la ki bapli te kalong ka sap e ken kasngi jungi tu ki vendors ki ba wan ro kan sap e tenang takan long ka jing e ru na ka benta jungi bangin ngin register ki ken ha ga ju po tinang ta ka daw kini ki ba wan menta kasngi ki ba pi i hang ni ki de ki bangi la ada phone lupa na office kat kum ki number ki ba bat ki kerteng ki ba ka office jungi ka don ya ki information
Ki Juliet yang ban
jungi ka ba ngi Juliet na ka po sa ka por ti ki officer baro ki late ban le ya kani ka inspection checking na ka wi ka po sa ka wi ka por ka mga loong ban nang tapade ki pi ha ka bidi ba ka bam ni bon ba ki benta ki ndai tangi kini ki food street food vendors ni ngi don ki wholesaler ngi don ki retailers ngi don ki nong de do ngi don ki bakery ngi don ki self help group ngi don ki bobo jat kini ki jat beriu ki ba ki jat business ki ba ki le halor ka bam ka di tenang ta ka daw ngi pi ba kini ki officer jungi ki haban plan kanu ka sngi kin le chano kanu ka sngi ba kin check chano
Juliet
ya kani ka benta le singa laban ong kumba khandai po 100% ki one bed ban chimya ka clearance ni tenang ta pade 100% ki don hi ki ba hang tu hang ni le si ki ba light ken ki ba klem one but ya kani ngi Juliet ban pen kan mau ki ban remai ni ki hadu mentahi ti ya ka ba le si ka por kan sa batay ngi ha ka ba ngin ha ban sim ban take action as per law kat kum kani ka an ke jongi ka ba ngi don mo ti henry hadu mentahi ti ke don katabat kawi ka bang akwa ban pen ngau thu ikipat ba ka de kani bahaba pila one ban bu ek application bapan bapipan jaga clearance certificate pinha pa de ban register mde ban ong batang ba ngila pila kontak ingi pila ai ngi application kata kala biak em kampat biak ti kidon kini ki NGO le siela ni ki organization ngala ban ong kiba organize kum kini ki jat fest tetang ba ki labo ik application hadian nga nakaliang jonga nga la reply back yaki ba pide ban haban wan bo ya formal application jong pi tenri kilaya chakmat pi te kum kini ki ek kim dei kin ban long ta ba kin skong thu ba oh bangila pha application kala pia ide ban pandem ki ba kum kini kidon ki ba kum kini tenri kidon ki fine ki bangi ay kini ki bangi fine ni kini ki brio tenang ta pade kababu ni te nganong yapi ba ngidang ay ki ka ngidang continue hi ban ay ki education ban ay ki ka jing hi kai te ngi ju ay ki ka non compliance notices but ki we but ngidon ni record jong kito te nrei la da phim ko ngo si sien to rcn ngin I reminder license ngin dang consider te nrei na kapor kamla ban lo but kini ngidon ya ki ngi institute ki case ki mungkin dating.
On 10th February 2025, the Border Security Force BSF apprehended an Indian national for attempting to smuggle goods from Bangladesh back to India. The arrest took place along the border in the East Khasi Hills district. The individual, a resident of Hojai, Assam, has not been identified as the investigation is still ongoing. The BSF has transferred the suspect to Khuborjylla police station for further interrogation and legal proceedings. Authorities are continuing their investigation into the smuggling operation and any potential connections to illegal activities along the border. So viewers, that is all for today. This is Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.